Yeah, the governor's convoy. We're marching down there, and right now we're going to go and fumigate Plateau State. I'm sure COVID-19, we are fighting you from Plateau State in our own little way. We hope that the fumigation will work, because a lot of people have been talking about whether it's right to fumigate or not. But at the end, fumigation is what the whole of Plateau State is going for today. I'm reporting live from Amadou Bello Street in Jos. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Catch you later. Here I am in the middle of Amadou Bello. Do you know Amadou Bello? Yeah, in Jos. You see, it's the COVID-19 lockdown, and you can see everywhere is locked down. Total compliance. You can see this street is a busy street. Is a down the road. You can see this street is always busy. At my back, you can see is a busy street. At my back again is a busy street, and at my back is a busy street. This is like the Oju Elegba of Jos, you know. But today is a lockdown thing. COVID-19, fumigation, Plateau is on a lockdown. You see, nobody's moving because we're trying to fight coronavirus, and we will win. That is my take, that Plateau State will come out unhurt, unscared. We fumigate the place. We take precautionary measures. We sanitize. With sanitizers, we wash our hands with liquid soap, with whatever it is. Put on the face masks, whatever it takes for us to stop this spread of coronavirus. We will do that. Munashak. You know, we're live here at the terminus roundabout. As you can see, we're ready to fumigate Plateau State. Take a look around. You can see the trucks that are heavily loaded to do the job. As I move around, you see everybody is getting set for the executive governor of Plateau State, Barrister Simon Lalong, to come and launch this fumigation exercise that's going to go around. We're starting from Jos North, then we go to Jos South. As you can see, everybody is getting set. So I tell you, Plateau State is ready to fumigate in the fight for COVID-19. We're trying to take preventive measures so that this thing does not spread. As you can see all around here, the security men are gathered, everyone is gathered. We're getting ready for the executive governor to come. I tell you, it's going to be an exercise for all to see. Reporting from my farmhouse in Terminus. Thank you. This is Munashak. We're live at the ground, and the governor just arrived. Live at Terminus. He tries to start the exercise. You can see everywhere is fully done. The seal of the governor is here already. So fumigation of Plateau State begins today, and right now the governor will officially kickstart it, and all the local governments will have it. As you can see, we're getting ready live from Terminus, and I'm Munashak reporting for Farmhouse Reporters. Thank you. Right now we're streaming live at Terminus. The fumigation is going in, as you can see. The machine has gone, and we're spraying Plateau State all over Jos. Plateau State. Everybody's working just how we do it always do. Just getting fumigated. Live from the farmhouse. Going up and down. Spraying just. We just did it. Just being fumigated. Reporting live from my farmhouse in Terminus. Munashak online. Yeah, this is Nasarawa in Feeling Ball, Nasarawa Gom. As you can see, the streets are empty. You can see KK parked very well, and you can see some of the people. I can see the security personnel trying to ensure that everything is in order. I'm meant to understand is the DPO and one of the residents. So you can see total compliance even in Jos North as the fumigation starts today with the flag off by the governor. I can tell you total lockdown is in full effect, and you can see people staying in front of their houses trying to maintain and follow order. That is the essence. We all will fight COVID-19 and we will succeed, and it will not come to Plateau State. Munashak, I'm reporting live from Nasarawa. Thank you. Yes, Angoru Kuba. You can see everybody's complying. Yes, the streets are empty. This is Angoru Kuba in Jos Plateau State. And just behind me is the police station where you can see that some dudes were caught peddling Indian hemp while the lockdown. Actually, it seems like a curfew because just we've been used to curfew, but then lockdown, the streets are locked down. This is the popular Rukuba Road roundabout. Down there is Odus. This is the market. Down there is Odus. You can see, and compliance is going on, and the lockdown is really in full effect. The market is empty. You can see. Normally on a good day, this is a busy road. COVID-19, we shall fight till we succeed. Munashak reporting from the farmhouse. Now, COVID-19, lockdown, fumigation, and all that in Plateau State. I'm at the famous Maraban Jama right now. You can see that the whole place is on lockdown. You know, J-Town is now like ghost town. Just take a look around, man. You know this. Yeah, look at that. That's it. This is it. Now, anybody that defaults gets to be tried in a mobile court. COVID-19 Plateau, I'm going to tell you what. Coronavirus, we're fighting you to the latter. And we know we're going to win in Plateau State because why? We have the spirit of fighters fighting COVID-19. Munashak reporting live from Maraba Jama'a, Plateau State. See you.